I'm going to remove the subframe hopefully today. Now there's 4 main bolts, but one of the things we need to look for is we need to disconnect these brake lines so that obviously this bit can come off and the flexi is there. And there's also an ABS sensor, so I'll put that on this side. I believe this is it. It's under this grey panel, which is held in by 3 Phillips, 3 posi drive screws. And that hopefully is it. And they said something about pulling it back through. So maybe I need to disconnect underneath as well. Anyway, I'll get this disconnected. I'll do the other side. Then we'll have a look underneath and see what we can find. Here's the other end of the ABS sensor, and it's bolted on here with a 10mm nut. This side looks not too bad. The other side's a bit more rusty. It took me some time to get to mine. I'm going to do this side. I've soaked it with WD-40. Hopefully it will come off without too much issue. There we go. So this is the ABS sensor. Oh yeah, there we go. Leave it out that way. And oh, there we go. That's it. So it just pushes in and then screws in. Okay, so things have not gone quite so well on this side. It seems that the ABS sensor has actually snapped off in the hole, which is a bit annoying. I think I'll douse it in WD-40 and leave it for now. Although I think I'm going to need a new sensor either way. It's just a matter of trying to get that old one out without too many issues. I don't know if it can be poked through from the other side or not. I'm not sure how it works. So I've undone all the bits of this. It's quite easy, just slide out. Just there. So that's the bung that sits in the actual hole at the bottom of the car. I'm going to put the camera down and see if I can do it. Okay. With a bit of poking with the screwdriver, I've managed to get that bung through. And oh, yeah, there we go. The connector goes through as well, so you can just try and poke that through and pull it out from the bottom. And then obviously do the same on the other side if you manage not to break your sensor. And I'll just pop the bolt in there so I know that's where it comes from. For this side, because that's snapped in the thing and I can't get it off, okay, this end appears to be connected to the other side wasn't. I've managed to get that rubber bung right through there. That was really easy. I just poked the side with a screwdriver and it went straight through, a lot easier than having taken it in this direction. Now, can I get this off without breaking it? That's the question. I'm guessing that side had been replaced, and that's why I had a different size nut. Do we just put it up and hope? So the original one has a little clip underneath, and it's supposed to slide backwards. Guessing I have to unlock it somehow. I'll work out how to unlock it. Okay, well I managed to get it off in the end with the excessive force, and just see, don't know if you can see that. It's got a little tab, so you have to push it that way. But I had tried that and it didn't go. I basically have to force a screwdriver into it. So good luck if it's in situ. Trying to get a screwdriver in under there and wiggling that out. Anyway. At least I can get it out of the car now. Hopefully. Yes, there we go. So so that's important. Yeah, let's go and have a look at these brake lines.